What's up, guys? I'm back here at X1A Fireworks again. I just wanted to do a little quick video again.
Hello, I'm Bandana. Nice to meet you. Got some questions I'm wondering, can you answer? Like, how much longer I do this? How much
Doing a
longer
quick
I do
video.
this till they
Like I
realize
said,
it's stupid?
I didn't get to make a video the last time I did.
Put me on at parties, jamming my song. Just play a little bit and I promise you won't go wrong. My music, they steady humming. My lyrics sick to their stomach. I still consider they youngin', but 14 hit songs and running. My favorite rapper from C.
So I'm still here again.
Cold and this beat hot. You watch me, but I G-shot.
More video. I think this is gonna be better because we actually have time.
I heard you, you're decent. Say fuck that, man, I'm great. I don't even care if you hate. I know deep down that you jealous of this awesome music I make. Got that Jumpman on my sneakers, kicking through your speakers. Say I ain't the best man, you must be high on that reefer.
Have the firecrackers. Have some more assortments over here. Some 500 grammers. More 500 grams over here.
I can show you most of this, even the little stuff on the screen.
See that time?
Yeah, you need to try some, I don't know.
Oh, this is the good stuff.
Yeah, now this is a fountain though. It's not a multi-shot. See, we've got that the other big multi-shots sitting around that.
I gotta keep going and going.
There you go.
My father is here with my sister. I don't have my mom this time.
Yes, and I can show you on there.
Don't buy it. Keep trying. Save your strength for what you've been
25% off.
Caribbean dreams are unseen, but I digress.
Back to the house.
We all hesitant. Ain't one of us heaven sent. Emotions build up, so you better vent.
Hot box over there, and $10 goes to the bed.
Not an animal. Even in Hampton on the avenue.
You are better. You are better. That's what you think.
Just, they all go off between 30 to 50 seconds. Sometimes we'll have one that'll last.
These prices are great. Amazing. They come down here. They're really, really good. Somebody told me about this cake right here. You know what I'm saying? My father, he likes to get stuff from dollars. So, here's some more.
Okay, you still go for a pop. 5 grams. That's the most calories you have.
Black guy. Show you this wall, man. This is. Like I said, guys, I'm coming back on July 2nd. I'm gonna shop because I still don't have all my money. I just made my mom come. Well, I made my dad come. He wanted to come get some stuff to shoot off for the night. And we're just looking at the stuff. This stuff is still here. This stuff is amazing. Even though I've been here before, I didn't show you guys the prices. It's tricky. I mean, not the prices, the cakes themselves. Man, I got loads of this stuff.
Every city I can mention. Those are the only 4 I know. Was that 4 or 3? Freestyle Friday 26th, July 23rd. Hope everyone's doing well. Black Paisley. Sleep well.
So if you want to know prices for certain things, just hit at me. I'm going to show you some more stuff. All this stuff. So yeah, just let me know. Brown tires here. Have some rockets over here. And we have some more cakes over here. You know, I'm already here. I've been researching. I'm getting some canister shells. So I'm gonna check those out too with you guys. I got you guys. Here's the cakes. And here's some more of that stuff. Here's some more rockets, guys. These are big Roman candles. Here are the swords, you guys know. Oh, they have small ones too. I didn't know that. Magical barrages, single shell shot, more rockets. Single shells. $200 firecrackers, some fountains, 3-inch racks down here. These are 3 inches, guys. Just always remember, take the cardboard off the top. This right here, guys, always listen. If you buy this, $10 will go to the veterans. Let me see if I can. If you can stop it and pause right there. If you buy that cake, $10 will go to the veterans. So now, guys, we're going on to start from the back and look at all the shells. We're first going to start with the sparklers. Go some more cakes. Some sparklers. Here goes some Pro Gold shells, Goth, American Elite shells, ball shells, triple break shells, quad shells. You got Magnum artillery shells. You have midget bomb shells. Oh my gosh, they got more in this time. Fiesta balls. Legend, small Fiesta balls. You have air show. Then you have Jake's whistling artillery, silver artillery, burning rings of fire, wrecking ball, super magnum, Star Spangled Banner, Cherry Bomb brand, 12 premium artillery shells, Magnum artillery shells, and King canister shells. Man, this box is freaking heavy. Then you got Zeus firework. You got double breaks and neon double breaks. You have triple threat. And you have smoke and mirrors. Smoke and mirrors 18. And I know what you all have been waiting for. These Excaliburs. Hold on, let me see. Freak. Well, you can't read it, but it says $69. Then you have Black Knight, $49. Then you have Black Mamba, $69. Then you have the Diablo shells, which are $39. Then you have the Diablo 24 pack, which is $79.99. So these prices are great. I go here and shop here, and it's just unbelievable what you can get. And I tell you. So I'm gonna finish this vlog today, and I'm gonna continue what I'm doing, and speak to you guys later. All right. What's up, guys? Power Tires here. I just did a video. I just got back from Exit 1A. I didn't spend that much. I just spent a little bit because I'm still going back on July 2nd. Today was just a mess around day. Plus, I went with my dad. I went ahead and bought some stuff, and I'm going back on July 2nd to buy some more. So first, I bought some Black Knight canister shells. They were $49. Let me see. Oh, you can't really see it. Then I brought Road Warrior by Shogun, 16 shots. Then I got this stuff for free. I got a 100 shot Magical Barrage, Jack in the Box, some Texas Pop Rockets, a handful of punks, and my sister and my dad bought this stuff, so that's their stuff. They bought that, some smoke balls, some crackling balls and all that. I bought this stuff. I bought some Black Cat Torpedo Adults Poppets. Those are really good. So I'm gonna unbox these Black Knights for you guys to let you see what they look like in another video. And peace.